We had an incredible day, Emily and I. We took one of the other boats, not this one, we took the Axopar over to Yarmouth and we stayed away overnight, and we had the most incredible coastal walk. So we walked from Yarmouth to the Needles, which is an 8.5 mile walk, and it takes you through everything. There's woodlands by the sea, it takes you across cliff tops, across the beach, through some inland meadows. It was just incredible. And then we were too knackered to walk back, so we got the bus, which was £4. Then at the end of that walk, there's some cable cars that take you down into Allen Bay, and we watched dolphins playing in the bay as we ate our sandwiches, and then got the cable car back out again. It was just such a fantastic day. We stayed at the George Hotel, we got some sandwiches for lunch from Gossip's Cafe, we had coffee in the morning at PO41, and these are just great venues that you have to visit. Anyway, watch the video, you can see what it's like, and hopefully you can take one of our boats away overnight to Yarmouth. Yarmouth Harbour, this is the life. Yarmouth, this is the life. We're a 7-metre powerboat looking for a berth overnight, please. Over.
Delight, this is Yarmouth. Yeah, that's all copied, sir. If you make your way into the harbour, I can bring up some fenders for your starboard side. We'll see what we can do on your arrival. Over.
Yarmouth, the life, thank you very much. The life out.
Yeah, certainly. Whereabouts is the foot? On a finger berth? Yeah. Yeah, right by us here, but you're in a finger, or no, you're on. Can you be, so are you inside this finger then? Nobody can be rafted, so blue finger.
Blue finger, 7 metres.
There we go. You're going
So we had a great crossing from Poole, and it's important to check the weather and the tides. We've been to Gossip's Cafe. Here we spent £35. We got 2 coffees, macaroni and cheese, smoked salmon bagel, and we also got 2 takeaway baguettes because we're about to walk to the Needles. So we've done an 8-mile walk from Yarmouth to the Needles. We got the cable car down to the beach where we're sat now. We've just had our takeaway tuna rolls and we're watching dolphins play in the bay. So far, it's been a fantastic day, and we've still got to go and have the luxury George Hotel and dinner.